My heart aches quietly, unsure where to turn. The path we shared still lives inside my mind. Every silent night is when I miss you most.
The wind blows past, carrying our words. The rain falls from the sky like my tears. No matter how far apart we are, my heart hasn't changed. I still keep you always inside of me.
Even though you're gone, I still miss you.
Like the moonlight that never disappears from the sky.
Though you're not here, I still love you.
Even as time moves on, my heart stays the same. Not a day I'll ever forget.
If heaven allows, may we meet again. I'll hold your hand and never let go.
Hand and never let go. I try to smile, but inside I cry. Our story echoes loudly in my life. Your laughter I can still hear from far away. Even your name alone makes my heart tremble.
The wind blows past, carrying our words. The rain falls from the sky like my tears. No matter how far apart we are, my heart hasn't changed. I still keep you always inside of me.
Even though you're
Gone, I still miss you.
like the moonlight that never disappears from the sky.
Though you're not here, I still love you.
Even as
Time moves on, my heart stays the same.
not a day I'll ever forget.
If heaven allows, may we meet again. I'll hold your hand and never let go.
Hand and never let go. If love had wings, I would have flown to you.
If missing you were a journey, I'd have reached you by now. Though we became a story of goodbye, my heart never left. You are still my endless song. Even though you're gone, I still miss you.
Like the sunrise that returns every day.
Though you're not here, I still love you.
No matter how long life lasts, I'll keep waiting for you.